Hare Krishna. Today we are going to prepare Nityananda Trayodashi Special Tok Tarkari recipe. So first, let's prepare the Tok masala. Take 1 tablespoon of fennel seed, 1 tablespoon of cumin seed, 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seed. Roast these for 30 to 40 seconds on low flame. Now add 5 to 6 dried red chilies. Roast them until they become slightly crispy. After 1 minute, these are ready. Cool this completely and then transfer this into a mixie jar. Grind them into a fine powder. With this, our Tok Tarkari masala is ready. Keep it aside. For Tok Tarkari, here we have used some vegetables like brinjal, ladyfingers, potato, sweet potato, radish and colocasia roots. Next, heat 4 tablespoons of mustard oil in a pan. Add 1/4 cup of vadi. On low flame, roast these until they turn crispy and golden. Take them out in a plate. The same oil, add 1 tablespoon of Panch phoron, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, add 1 sliced potato, sweet potato, colocasia. Mix all this well. Cook this for 3 to 4 minutes on low flame. After 4 to 5 minutes, the vegetables have partially cooked. Add 100 grams of okra, radish, brinjal. Mix it well. Cook them on low to medium flame until they are fully cooked. Do not forget to stir them in between. Cook it further. It has been total 9 to 10 minutes. You can see the vegetables have cooked perfectly. Add salt as per requirement. Badi that we have fried. 3 tablespoons of tamarind pulp and Tok Tarkari masala that we have prepared. Add 1 cup of water. Combine all this well. Cook this Tok Tarkari for 5 to 6 minutes on low flame. After 5 to 6 minutes, the Tok Tarkari is absolutely ready. Now turn off the flame. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer it to Shri Shri Gaur Nitai. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol.